Aloo sandwich recipe at home. To a mixer grinder, add coriander. Add mint leaves. Add 1 piece of ginger. Add 5 garlic cloves. Add 3 green chillies. Add half a teaspoon of pink salt. Add half a teaspoon of chaat masala. Grind them. Switch on the stove and place your kadai. Add 2 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Add half spoon of jeera, half spoon of turmeric. Add grated onion. Give them a good mix. Add grated carrot. Add grated capsicum. Add half a teaspoon of red chilli flakes, 1 spoon of oregano, half spoon of chaat masala. Give them a good mix. Add 2 boiled potatoes. Mix them. Using a smasher, smash the potatoes. Smash it until it forms a smooth texture like this. Add salt to taste. Now switch on your stove and place your tawa. Take 2 pieces of bread and apply butter on them. Place them on the tawa. Roast them for one time. If we make the sandwich like this, it will be more tastier and more crispier. Now to the roasted side, add 1 spoon of ketchup and spread it around. Add 1 spoon of mint chutney and spread it around. Add in your potato filling and spread it around with a knife. Put cheese according to your taste. Now cover the piece of bread. Apply butter. When we cook the bread on the tawa, make sure the cheese will melt as it will be more tastier, and when the cheese will melt, it will be very yummy. Make sure to add butter on both the sides of the bread. Press them for a couple of times. Flip it. Make sure it will be a golden brown color, and when you scrape it, it will be very crispy. And your Bombay style sandwich is now ready to serve. Pair it with a side of ketchup and you will get the best of both worlds, cheesiness and a tangy flavor from the sauce. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.